Hey everyone, welcome to the daily crypto vision of Jan Robert Schutte, Crypto Academy. We see Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP, the top 3, 4, 5, a little bit into the red, hovering around the levels of yesterday, 24 hours ago, and Bitcoin is not able to break through the 11,000 mark. The BTC dominance, however, it's ticking up again, creeping up towards the 70% level, now standing at 69.2%. There's bad news for Bitfinex in New York because the New York court ruled that state attorney has jurisdiction over Bitfinex. And the New York Office of the Attorney General, NYAG, has jurisdiction over cryptocurrency exchange by Bitfinex. And that is according to a court filing on August 19. And this will allow the NYAG to continue its investigation of the exchange of allegations of fraud and misleading investors. And in the filing, Judge Joel Cohn dismissed a motion by Bitfinex to terminate an action by the NYAG that would prosecute Bitfinex under New York law, the Martin Act. The NYAG originally alleged that Bitfinex and associated stablecoin firm Tether covered up an $850 million loss in doing so misled investors in the state of New York. That's a serious accuse, of course, and these allegations have resulted in a protracted legal battle between Bitfinex and state prosecutors, with the exchange claiming that it spent $500,000 and hired over 60 lawyers in order to comply with the documentation requested by the NYAG. And the issue of jurisdiction has recently become a primary issue of contention in the case. Legal representatives for both Bitfinex and Tether have previously submitted documents to the court stating that neither firm served customers in New York, which has a unique, stringent regulatory regime for cryptocurrencies, and the lawyers claimed that even should the state be able to prove that they had served New York clients, it could not establish whether those customers were harmed by the exchange or stablecoin issuers, at least their actions. And today's ruling by Justice Cohen denies Bitfinex and Tether's motions to terminate the NYAG's action on the grounds that it was extra-jurisdictional, in addition to dissolving a temporary stay of the state's investigation. And Bitfinex claims that it did not serve New York-based customers. It is further complicated by reports that United States-based users are still able to access the platform by simply relying on a pop-up query about their geographical location. So to be continued is not good news, of course, for the exchanges. Anyway, we would like to conclude with Ethereum price, and the Ethereum price is now hovering around 200 bucks. Now a little bit down. It's still on the weekly basis, still weak. The low is around 173, 174 dollars. It's now consolidating more or less around $200, and I'm taking a look forward to a new challenge of the 220 level. Is 10% higher from here, a little bit more, but be careful with the market at this moment. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista.